Hey everybody, welcome back. Tonight we are making some bourbon chicken. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cut up our chicken into bite-sized pieces, and I am using chicken thighs. If you have all that extra fat on there, cut it off. We don't need it. You don't have to, but that's my preference. Let me get this all chopped up and I'll see you back in a bit. Okay, now that we have our chicken into bite-sized pizzas, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, I already did it, but the video messed up, so I'm sorry. But I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then we're going to add some sesame oil to our pan. Lightly coat it. This is about 2 tablespoons. We're going to let that heat up, and then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to cook the chicken on medium heat. And you're going to cook it until it's no longer pink. I'll get back to you. Okay, so while our chicken is cooking, we're going to make the sauce. We need, I'm going to measure this for y'all. We need a half a teaspoon of pepper. A half a teaspoon of onion powder. Sorry for my reaching. Then we need 1/4 cup of apple juice. And I got the no added sugar kind, but have whatever's on hand. Now, because I don't have bourbon, you use apple juice in replacement. We're not drinkers, so I don't think I should have to buy bourbon just for one recipe. Then we're going to do 1/4 cup ketchup. We're just gonna eyeball it because, you know, I don't like to use stuff. Okay, some half cup of soy sauce. Okay, then we need 1/4 cup of water. Okay, after the water, we will need minced garlic. And you're going to whisk this up. So let's whisk it away. Okay, we're going to let this sit until our chicken's done. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that you guys need a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and you also need 2/3 cup of brown sugar. So just add that to your sauce mixture, okay? Okay, now that our chicken is nice and brown, we're going to remove it from the pan and remove all of the juice from the chicken. So we'll do that really quick. Okay. Before we hit our sauce, I am going to heat up some rice, and all you do is boil in a bag, 4 cups of water in the microwave for 10 minutes. That's it. Okay, now over medium-low heat, we're going to add our sauce. And I'm going to get a spatula so we get all that stuff. Okay. Get all that goodie. We're gonna yank this up a little bit because we want it to get it to a nice simmer. This is how we're gonna thicken it up a little bit. And then to thicken it up a little more, we're gonna add some cornstarch. And it's the cornstarch slurry. So we're gonna do a tablespoon of cornstarch, and then probably about a tablespoon of water, and then we're gonna mix this. But let's get this to a simmer and I'll be back with you. And now that we have a nice simmer going on, we're gonna add our tablespoon of cornstarch and a little water. See how thick that's getting? Let me use my spatula because I know my microwave is running and we don't need more sound on sound, okay? All right. See how that's thickening up? And you guys, I totally messed up on the sauce. I missed a couple of steps, so I'm gonna put it in the directions so that way you guys have it. Okay, see how nice and thick that is? Now we're going to add our chicken back to it. Put that all in there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay. All right, we're gonna let this cook on medium low for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so that sauce cooks into the chicken real nice and good. That will give us a time for our white rice to get fixed. And I'm also steaming up a bag of broccoli to go with it too. But you guys, if you try this, let me know. This was a requested video. If you guys are hankering for something that I used to do a long time ago, some of my girls messaged me and said that they wanted my sausage, pepper, and pasta. So I'm totally gonna make that. Or if you found a recipe and you need a step-by-step video, message me. I'll see if I can do it. Challenge accepted. Let me know if you guys tried this. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I added the broccoli into it so it soaks up some of that juice. And I have half a cup of rice for me and a cup of rice for my husband. And we're just gonna smother it on there. And this is how I'm gonna serve it. You guys, in these Chinese restaurants, when you have it right here, let me know if you've tried it.